All right, okay, so let's go and take a look at our next question. We'll go ahead and move on to the beef of the assignment. So, number 7, it states, explain how you would prepare the following formulas for the indicated time periods. So, key phrase, and they even bolded it for us, for the indicated time periods using the given supplies. So, taking a look at number 7, they're stating give 6 milliliters, okay, of 2/3 Ensure via NG tube every hour for 6 hours. Okay, so they want us to take a look at a few things. Off top of our head, we can see a desired amount of 60 milliliters. Okay. Supply available, 8-ounce cans of Ensure. And let's do desired, I'll do desired amount here. And I'll do desired strength down here. So desired strength is 2/3. And taking a look, they're telling us that we have 8-ounce cans. And so we'll use our same D times Q equals X. With D as our desired, that's 2/3. And then our amount is 60 mLs equals X. So I've got 2/3 times 60. I've got 40 mLs. You can also rewrite this if you're, this is just multiplication. And we know with multiplication, you just multiply across. And you might say, well, I don't have a denominator here, but it's 60 over 1. It's not 60 milliliters per hour, 60 milliliters per second, per kilometer is 60 mLs. So you could technically do 60 times 2. I'm sorry, let me just format that better. 2 times 60 all over 3. And if you want to enter that in your calculator, it might look a little bit better. 2 times 60 divided by 3 equals 40. So we've still got the 40 mLs. Okay, great. So we're doing 40 mLs. One of the things we want to know, however, is it's for the indicated time period. So we're looking for the entirety of these 6 hours. So if this is every hour and we're doing it for 6 hours, we're doing 1 every hour. This is going to be 40 mLs times 6 hours equals 40 times 6. So we'll need 240 mLs total of Ensure. Okay, so we're doing 240 mLs of Ensure, and if we're doing 6 here, we multiplied by 6, then the total amount right here would also change. So if we're doing 60 1 every hour for 6 hours, that's going to be a total of 360. And you might say, oh, well, wait. If that's our desired amount and you just multiplied by 6, up here we multiplied by 60. Okay, yeah, that's right. You could do it 2 different ways. So we did desired 60, did for 2/3 strength, and we calculated it for 1 dose. And then we multiplied by 60 for 6 doses. If you were to multiply first, okay, if you were to multiply first the 60 by 6, then you already calculated for the 6 doses. So you did the 6 doses first, and then you'll go ahead and find the exact amounts of Ensure. And it works out the same way. You could say, well, I'll do 2/3, that's still our strength, and our total amount was 360. 2/3 times 360 is still 240. So we got 240 here, and we had 240 earlier. So it still works. So here it's our 240 mLs of Ensure, and if we're doing 240 mLs of Ensure and the total amount was 360 minus 240 equals 120 mLs. And I mean, the other way you could have done this is after you had done the 6 doses, after you had done the 40 mLs, you could have said, okay, well, since it's 60 mLs, when we had done it this way, 60 minus 40 gives us our 20 mLs of water. 20 mLs of water times 6 is still our 120, and here's our 120 again. So it works either way. And I'm going to ask, how many cans of Ensure would you use from the supply available? And we've got 8-ounce cans available. Well, let's go ahead and do some conversion. 8 ounces equals how many milliliters? And the way we've seen ourselves do these in class is you do 1 fluid ounce equals 30 mLs, and I'll draw some lines underneath because I've already got the rule set up, and I've got 240 mLs. I'm matching my units, and I'll write fluid ounces over here, and I want to find fluid ounces. I want to convert from, oh, well, I guess you could have done it either way. Sorry. We've got 1 fluid ounce equals 30 mLs. That's our rule, right? And I always draw the line because I've already got my rule up, and I want to convert from 8 ounces to milliliters. And so I'll write my units right beneath from before, and I've got 8 fluid ounces. That's what I have, and I want to convert to the milliliters. I'll put my X here because that's what I want to find out. Cross multiply. So I'll have 30 times 8 equals X. 30 times 8, 240. X equals 240. Okay, so we know an 8-ounce can is actually 440 milliliters, and we need 240 milliliters. Okay, so we would just do one 8-ounce can. How many ounces would be unused, if any? None, because I'm using the entire amount. If I need 240 milliliters, and this right here is 240 milliliters, then that's all I need, and that works out well. So this one is solved, and we'll go ahead and move on to number 8.